How to turn off notifications in NFL Sunday Ticket. If the constant game alerts and notifications from the NFL Sunday Ticket app are getting overwhelming, you can easily turn them off. Open the NFL app on your device and go to Settings. You will find it usually by tapping on your profile icon or the setting gears icon. Inside, look for a section labeled Notifications or Alerts. Here you will see different categories like game start reminders, score updates, or highlight alerts. You can toggle each one off individually or simply disable all notifications with a single switch if you want complete silence. If you want to manage notifications at the system level, you can do that too. On iPhone, head to Settings, then click on Notifications, select NFL Sunday Ticket, and toggle Auto Notifications off. On Android, it's the same process. Go to Settings, Apps, and click on NFL Sunday Tickets and turn off notifications. So that's all for today. Thank you.